Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something different. We are full works automotive and we're working at our shop car, which is the BMW 335i E90 with an M54 motor. We're doing the first mods today, which is a VRSF, downpipes, and intercooler. So we're gonna go ahead and start with replacing the two downpipes. So while removing the downpipes, we noticed this serious oil leak coming from the oil pan. So we're just gonna go ahead and drop the subframe and replace the gasket so we don't have to deal with it later.
Right there. The sensors out. Yeah. Oh.
That wasn't that hard. Yeah. Yo, this thing tiny.
Little baby intercooler.
the intercooler and the downpipes in the shop car. Unfortunately, I will not be starting it today because as you can see, I still have some work to do. I only get to work on these cars an hour or two a day. That kind of explains why I'm wearing so many outfits in this video. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. See you guys soon.